Alright guys, this is the result. The fish catching. Woo! A lot of parties going on here. Look at that. A lot of monster snakehead fish. Okay, so the boy's gonna bring the water to clean it up. Like that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, he's gonna clean the fish. Look at that. Ooh. Wow, this is a monster. Can you believe me or not? So the boys really love it. This is our hard work right here. Oh, man. Oh. Okay, anh Giấy.
Sorry, nhông lần nhâm anh hơi.
Oh, he loves the fish anyway.
Oh my.
Alright, you're gonna make a fire here. So this is a fire. So like that. Oh, I mean it's hard to making fire, isn't it? Oh man, that's hard. Yeah, that's it's making fire. Oh, fucking hell. Right, we're gonna cook some snakehead fish right here. Beautiful pond. Ready to go. Alright, we're making a fish barbecue right here. Boy is busy making fire. That is beautiful. Nice one.